technology has kind of allowed us to be able to interact in both the virtual space as well as in person. I very much have enjoyed having a little bit of both. I feel like I personally didn't want to go for a fully online course when I was looking for programs, so having that monthly coming in, seeing all the rest of your classmates, you're in it, and like every day seems like a different challenge, but it's very rewarding at the end of the day, because sometimes, like personally for me, if you're someone who likes to kind of get the train moving and then stay on track with that kind of an approach, this is the program for you. If you're someone who wants a little bit more of a tapered approach, I would definitely be like, that's okay, there's other programs as well. Maybe look at the full-time program that UVA has to offer instead. But yeah, I feel like for people who don't necessarily want to give up their job to go to school, this is definitely a great option.